Renfrewshire Sound Talking Newspaper for the Blind has for over 30 years produced a talking newspaper service to visually impaired people in Renfrewshire. We provide a free service of local news recorded onto various audio formats such as cassette tapes, CDs or USB memory sticks, which is distributed to visually impaired people in Renfrewshire. Renfrewshire Sound has no paid staff and is run by a team of around 25 volunteers. We meet on Thursday evenings in our premises at Barscube Terrace, Paisley. Volunteers are involved in a range of tasks including editing, recording, reading and administration. We try to match these tasks to the individual volunteers' interests and skills. Full training will be given. Renfrewshire Sound is a registered charity and is registered with the Scottish Charity Regulator. We have no regular income and rely on donations from Renfrewshire Council, service users, grant-making bodies and members of the general public. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to receive Renfrewshire Sound or would be interested in helping us produce it, contact us by email at renfrewshiresound@outlook.com or by telephone on 0141 848 6116.